Hey friends, I wanted to pop in and share with you a new scrapbook haul. I have my latest TN spread here just to cover private information, but I'm so excited. I have subscribed to Ali Edwards Stories by the Month subscription, and I finally have January's Begin kit, and I wanted to share that with you. I did open it last night because my family was excited to see what was in it as well. So I have looked through it already, but I haven't opened anything up yet, and I wanted to share that with you. So I'm going to move this, flip this over. I love the packaging. I've never had anything sent to me in a package like this before. It's pretty fun. And of course, you know right off the bat that it's Ali Edwards because it's her writing. So that's pretty fun. And then all the goodies are inside. So to begin, we have a whole bunch of labels in different colors. They are numbered 1 through however many there is in here, I'm pretty sure. I don't think they are all the same number. And as you can see, they are different colors as well. So there's quite a few in here. I don't know exactly how many there is, but a good chunk. We also have some fabric circles. They look like they are in different sizes as well. They are in different colors and they'll have different patterns and phrases on them as well. They are adhesive as well on the back side, which is a bonus. So there's a bunch of those. We have die cut. It's the word begin in Ali's iconic writing once again, which is totally fun. So there's that. We have some 3x8. These actually look like they're probably about 4x8 pages. I'm just gonna measure to double check. Yes, they are roughly just shy of 4 inches according to my craft mat here. So 4x8. There's a few, I don't know how many there is. Don't mind the crinkling, I'm sorry. We'll pop into this and see how many there is. So there's this one, start here, the best place to begin. Oh, there's only 2. And then this really pretty watercolor details pattern. So there's that. We also have some acetate phrases as well. I don't know if I want to open these or not. What the heck? Because y'all probably want to see them just as much as I do. Sorry for the crinkling again. So a new day. Are you able to see that? If I flip this over, is that any better? A new day. Begin again. There's 3 of these and they're all different phrases. So begin again. I should look to see, make sure I'm in the frame. And then fresh start. I like the colors in these as well. So 3 of those. I know Ali did product share of all of the products that are in this kit as well when she first released it. So you can check that out if you want. I will leave the link down in the description box below. Otherwise, everything you need to see is right here. We have some chipboard stickers. These are also adhesive and all kinds of different phrases, sizes as well. We got the numbers. Phrase stickers, which to me is pure gold in my crafting. I love all the phrase stickers. And quite honestly, this was one of the reasons why the scale tipped in favor of doing Ali's Stories by the Month kits, subscriptions, because they're hard to come by. The biggest draw, of course, was being able to dive deeper into my scrapbooking and tell more meaningful stories. That was the main reason. We also have some 6x8 pages as well. I'll open this so that I can show you all the patterns in this. I think there's only a couple sheets as well. And then I put the journaling cards off to the side because they'll take probably the longest part of this haul video. So pattern 1, pattern 2. So now these are slightly bigger than actually 6x8. They're going to be 7 by ish. Let's measure this out. We got 7 inches by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and a quarter. So the reason she does that is because they are the same size as the page protectors that these sheets would go into. So if you didn't want to put them inside a page protector, you could punch holes down this side and it would be the same size as everything else in your album. If you don't want to do that and you want to put it inside a page protector, you can trim off the one side of it and everything will still be good to go. So that's why they are slightly larger. So we have the beginnings, the story of how this whole thing began, and then a really pretty blue font pattern paper. So 3 of those, and then the journaling cards. Now I do believe there are a little of everything in here. So there will be 3x4 and then also 4x6. I'm gonna open it up for you. I don't want to wreck anything, so I'm being as careful as I can. My plan, now that I have this kit, is I'm going to start sitting down and obviously telling stories using this kit. I do have some story ideas already, so it's just a matter of sitting down and creating the layouts. And of course, I will share the processes with you as well. But I think what I'm going to do is start interspersing my pieces of home traveler's notebook, documenting with the stories by the month begin kit. I will probably be working a month behind everybody else because it takes about that long for me to get my Ali Edwards kits from the States. I'm located in Canada, if you are new to my channel and weren't aware of that. Even if you're not new to my channel and you weren't aware of that, yes, I'm Canadian. So I'll be working a month behind everybody else, but I will be working with her kits, and I'm really excited to see where this leads me this year. Okay, so journaling cards. They are all one-sided, but we have Let's Get This Party Started. I'm just gonna do like I did the last time. A story, a little about life right now. 1, 2, 3, get it, get it, get it. And begin, looks like, sounds like, feels like. The magic of beginnings, everything starts somewhere. I love that. Bring on more joy, bring on a fresh start, bring on a new beginning. Ready, make it happen, and dude, just start where you are now. I like that too. And then it says you've got this down at the bottom. So those are the 3x4 cards, and here are the 4x6. Ready to begin, begin again. Story 1, story 2, story 3, currently beginning, starting right here, and then these little pockets. I've seen these being cut out already and made pages, being put on pages that way, so they are literal little pockets, which I think is pretty fun. So that's the kit. I hope you enjoyed my little walkthrough process. I hope you join me on this journey and see where this leads me. I'm excited to share with you the first story that will be coming soon. I can't say when for sure just yet because I want to finish my current Traveler's Notebook Pieces of Us. I have 2 stories left to tell. So I'm going to say like within the next week, you'll probably start seeing at least the first project using the Begin kit from Ali Edwards. Thanks for joining me, friends. If you are interested in picking up this kit yourself, I'll leave the link to Ali Edwards' website as well, so you can go check it out. Maybe consider subscribing. Subscribing is a fantastic way to get this kit. Besides getting the kit, you also have access to her classroom and more ideas for creating with this kit as well. Which is a huge bonus. I haven't looked at the class material yet, but that is one of the things I plan on doing. And maybe I'll give you an update. Let me know what you think in the comments below. If you enjoyed my video, give me a thumbs up and a like. And as always, I'm so glad you're here. Thanks for visiting my channel today and hanging out with me, friends. I'll be back again soon. Bye.